Our video for today is on how to apply a Munter hitch. So as you can see, we have here a 5 pounds metal plate, and there were 4 of them. All in all, 20 pounds. So let's try how a Munter hitch works and how reliable it is. So let's now get this rope and we will anchor it on this bar. So we will do it like this, and there. So this is what we call the Munter hitch. So that's the setup. Now I will lift that metal plates and try to bring it down little by little by controlling the hitch, and let's see if I feel any struggle in bringing down that metal plate. There you go. In this position, as I'm holding this rope, I can feel a struggle. If I will hold this like this with my 2 fingers, I must hold it firmly in order for the metal plate will stay. But still I can feel a struggle. So better to hold it with my fingers and put it down little by little. Cause that 4 metal plates is deemed a heavy load. There. Now we will apply the so-called Munter hitch, which is unapplicable to heavy loads, but in rappelling, this plain Munter hitch is the appropriate one to use, not the super Munter hitch. Super Munter hitch, we just do it like this to double the hitch to control the friction, just like that. So we will try again to lift this 4 metal plate and bring it down little by little with the use of this super Munter hitch. Now the super Munter hitch was applied.
So as you can see, I am holding this rope with my 2 fingers only, and just a little bit struggle that I can feel. And now we will bring down the load a little by little. Okay, and that's it. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give comment, and links of my other videos are on the description below. Thank you and God bless.